What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's AJ Ladd here and welcome to my channel. Now today we're going to do a filter test. This is a Holden Commodore VX 2002 model, 100% stock except for the wheels. That's the body, yeah, that's the condition of it there. It's pretty nice, pretty tidy for a nice white car. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do a filter test. This is all complete, 100% stock. And this is the stock air intake, the filter. We're going to compare that to a K&N high flow air filter. So we're going to do a sound test. So I'll set the camera over here on top of the bin. Hopefully, yeah, that seems pretty good there. So we'll just start her up and give her a test. Okay, there you have it. That's with the stock air filter. Okay, I'm going to have to do a second part because the video camera is about to die. So I'll do a second part with the K&N filter and see what sound difference we get. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Peace out.